it's learning a new skill, creating a new digital product, or just getting more information on how to grow yourself or your brand as a digital entrepreneur, these are all 6 different websites that you should definitely go and check out. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Renee Liz, and today we're going to be doing a short video on 6 different ways that you can actually educate yourself online for free and develop those digital instincts. Now again, I am the queen at sourcing free-ish. I mean, we work so hard for our money and we want to put our money to good use, and sometimes we need to find alternative ways. Site number 1 is business tutorials, and whether you are a new entrepreneur or somebody who has been in the game for a long time, this site is just full of knowledge and information, and it just gives you a great insight of little tips and tricks and skills that you can improve and work on as a new or a long-time entrepreneur. Site number 2 is Academic Earth. Now this site is pretty awesome because it's just a collection of lectures from professors and academics from very famous institutes. And again, it really depends on what niche, what interests you and what you're looking for. And expanding your knowledge does not hurt. And again, when it comes to learning new skills, you gotta start somewhere, you gotta expand your knowledge. Academic Earth is definitely a good place to start. Number 3 will definitely apply to a lot of people just because of everybody's day-to-day business when it comes to, using Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. But Acten is a great way to boost your business skills. It covers so many tutorials on how to use these different softwares. Number 4 is Khan Academy. This is a non-profit organization, but they definitely believe in free education, and they have quite a bit of different courses that you can definitely check out. Number 5 will definitely appeal to more of the tech nerds like myself, and this is How to Geek. The site is definitely pretty cool. It covers a lot of topics on how to deal with computers, electronics, and even gaming. Okay, so last but not least is number 6, and this definitely applies to my digital creators and content creators. Anybody who is looking to boost, elevate, level up their digital skills, definitely check out Google Digital Garage, just because it covers anything from digital marketing, digital analysis, transforming your business digitally, anything that you need to digitally grow yourself and your brand. Definitely check out Google Digital Garage. Again, this is new to me and it has helped me so much in such a short amount of time, and I still have so many more courses to complete on there.